This is the Pelsee P3 4K Smart Wi-Fi Dashcam. This is another Amazon find I want to talk to you about. Let's check what's in the box. Let's start with a box that says accessories. We'll get back to this one later. This is the car plug that will power up the camera, and it's on USB-C. It also has a USB port at the back for additional power source. And if I haven't mentioned yet, the Pelsee P3 comes in two cameras. This is the extension that you will use to power up the second camera. And this second camera has a full HD resolution. You can use it as a back camera, or you can mount it next to the 4K camera at the front to monitor or record the inside of your vehicle like an Uber driver. And you can turn this camera 360 degrees on both ways. Now for the 4K dash cam. The camera itself is all made of plastic, but not the cheap type. Just by holding onto this, I can feel the build quality of this dash cam. That's where the micro SD card slot is, the USB-C port to power up the camera, and the round port to power up the second camera. The easy access menu buttons, and the camera microphone right there. This is the 64GB micro SD that came with the dash cam, and it supports up to a maximum of 256GB of micro SD. Now for that accessory bag that we've seen first, this is a tool that will help you a lot to pry the sides of your car so you can hide the cables. This also contains the cleaning cloth, a documentation and stickers for mounting and cable management. Now let me show you some clips on how I installed the dash cam. I decided to use the second camera as my back camera, so I will be showing you some clippings as well on how I hid the cables inside my car. I decided not to use the mounting stickers because of the weather here, so I decided to mount the dash cam directly to the windshield. Now regarding the 3-inch screen at the back of the dash cam, that is not touchscreen. You'll have to use the menu buttons to navigate the settings. And I ended up not using the car charger that came with the dash cam because I have a powered rear view mirror, and I purchased this cable that provides an extra USB port for purposes like these. If you're interested of what cable that is, just comment down below. Do you remember that prying tool that's in the accessory bag? This is where it's going to be very, very useful. And the extension cable that they provided for the second camera is more than enough for a van. And here's the finished product, guys. And that's the second camera. And you can view the second camera from the dash cam by pressing the second button to the right. And this dash cam also responds to a few voice commands. Take a picture. Turn off dash cam. Turn on dash cam. And they did not call this dash cam smart for no reason. This dash cam has a built-in smart driving, which is the advanced driver assistance system, which monitors what's the front of the car, and also a blind spot detection and a lane change assistance. You can also control and configure this dash cam using the Pelsee Cam app, and also download and view all your recordings. You can also use the app as your live feed, and underneath is your speed and your altitude, and also the signal strength of the built-in GPS that displays your current location. You can also retrieve the GPS records from your recordings by installing a DV player on your computer. And here's some daytime and nighttime sample footage from the 4K dashcam and the 1080p dashcam. So this is the microphone quality of the Pelsee P3, and my distance from the dash cam is probably like 1.5 feet. So guys, this is the Pelsee P3 4K Smart Wi-Fi Dashcam. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.